Hey everybody, it's Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and as you know, we have this hosted solution where we have all of our products, photography, websites, blogs, photo cards, slideshows, and everything we launch comes right here. So all of our members, whether you're free or not, whether you're paid or not, you get access to all of these products. And somebody had asked me, but Anthony, is it really easy to set up a site? And our philosophy is we want it to be as easy as possible. This is not a web builder. We don't have you come in and figure out how to design your site. You don't have to code anything. We create templates right out of the gate that all you have to do is just add your content, add some colors, add a logo. We want you back out in the field shooting. We don't want you guys to become web developers. So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quickly how I can set up a site, give you the basics, and you can just kind of get a quick understanding of how easy it is to do. So right now I'm in the dashboard of our membership area, and I'm going to go ahead and click Add Products. And let's say that we want to add a new website, and I'm going to go ahead and add this Brooklyn website. I'm going to click Install, and I'm going to give it a name. So this is going to be my wedding website 4, and I'm going to go ahead and do wedding website 4, and I could always move that later. I'm going to go ahead and click Install Now. And so now what's happening is the product is being installed. There's no FTP, there's no web panel, there's no database setup. It's doing all the heavy lifting for you. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of products already installed. So you can just keep installing product after product. So when we launch new products, you want to use it, just install it. So now I'm going to come to Date Installed, and you're going to see the most recent products installed. This is my Brooklyn website, so I'm going to go ahead and click this Admin because I want to add content to it. So what you're noticing now is that all my products are in one place, and all I have to do is click the individual admins. There's no remembering logins for my web vendor, my blog vendor, and everything else. It's all right here. I'm going to add some music to the site right now, which is a partnership that we currently have with Triple Scoop Music, and it's adding some of that music. And now I'm on the dashboard of the back-end interface. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Content, and I'm going to create the most basic of our pages. I'm going to go ahead and click New, and I'm going to go ahead and give this a title. I'm going to make an album page. And this is going to be my portfolio page. I'll click Album, and I'll click Create Page. Now you're going to see that the album page is right here. And if I want to add information, I can add an image list. I could add music tracks. I could mess around with the settings. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some images. I'm going to click Add Media. I'm going to add files that I already have cropped and web ready for my computer. So give me a second. I'll go ahead and upload a couple of these. And these images are provided from my good buddy Jay Riley from California. And you'll see that all the images right now are being uploaded. And when you get this green little check mark here, it means they're done. When all my images are uploaded, I click Done. And now you're going to go ahead and see all the images right here. And so now what I want to do is I want to create a bio page. So I'm going to click New. I'm going to go ahead and say About Me. And this is one of our types of pages called an info page. And I'm going to go ahead and click Create Page. And now I have my About Me page right here, and I have settings. So I can go into the image list and I can add an image. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an image. And it's going to go ahead and upload that image. And I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some text content. So I'm going to click Settings. I'll go ahead and type in a heading. So this will be About Me. And I'm going to go ahead and type in some text here. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the image placement. I'm going to leave it at the top, but you can change it if you want to be on the right or left. But just for right now, I'll leave it on the top. And I'll click Save. And now I have my About page and my album page already created. And so now I just need some navigation buttons. I'm going to go over to the navigation. I'm going to click New, and these are going to create navigation buttons at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and create something that says About Me. And I'm going to link it to a page I already created, link it to the About Me page, click Save. I'm going to click New. I'll go ahead and create a portfolio page. We'll call it Work, and we'll link it to that album that I created. Click Save. And I have two navigation buttons now linking to two pages that I created. And so now I just want to do something really quick with the logo, and I'm going to go to the Design panel. And I'm going to go ahead, I have a lot of options, and we have videos to show you how to do all this stuff. And if I wanted to change these colors, I could, but I'm going to right to the logo, and I'm going to change the logo text to just say My Studio, whatever your studio name is, and I'll go ahead and change the color of it a little bit. You know what? I'm going to make it black. So I can either type in the hex code there, or I can go ahead and choose from the colors right in here. But I'm going to go ahead and make it black. I'm going to click Save. And now I want to go ahead and launch my site. So I have a couple different ways I could do that. The easiest way is just to go to the dashboard here, and I can click Preview Site. But if I'm in my membership account, I can also just click Preview right here. So if I were to click Preview, you're going to see that the site is going to load so you can see it. And it's currently live at that URL. And you're going to see that I have the My Studio, I have the About Me and the Work. We're currently on the Work album page. And then I can go ahead and click About Me, and you're going to see that we have the image that I uploaded with the text below it, and it's that easy. Again, not a website builder. We have everything ready to go. We have settings in there so you can change colors, and in here you can change margins, add backgrounds, you can upload your logo, you can change the fonts, you can do all those basic things. But we don't want you in there figuring out how to build a website. We want you out in the field shooting. And so this is our easy creation system. And so you're going to see here, we got a website up in just a couple of minutes here, and we're good to go. So start a free account with our hosted membership, and you're going to see that you can create websites, blogs, photo cards, slideshows, and it's all this kind of interface. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks so much.